going to the Philippines. But then mamaya pa mga 5:30. So bibili kami ng maliit na stroller para kay Calix dito sa Walmart. Hi, say hi. Hi. Hi, vlog. Okay, na kami guys sa Walmart. Dito na lang. Dito lang kami dadaan. Pero mga nakabihis na kami ngayon. Flight namin kasi dire-diretso na rin. I don't know. Yeah, I think C9 or C19.
Galaxy. Dami yung chocolate na sila. My goodness.
Wala na tayong space. Ang cute naman ito. Oh my gosh. Para sa ano. Lakad na kayo. Tablecloth. Should I buy? Para sa Pinas. I don't know. Cute. Canister. Wala na kaming space eh. Sa bagahe namin. So, I'll see. I think yung see doon, Daddy. See, I'll see. Saan ba? C9? Oh, doon sa baby. You know. Let's go that side. So, kahapon yung Black Friday, but we're just at home. Dahil advance nga ako namili sa online. C9. Oh, this is G. This is G. Okay. Ayan. Yung mousse, okay. $17 lang.
You like the mousse, right? Or you want the koala bear?
Just the mousse.
For now.
No, which one? Mousse or
Ano
koala?
na? Come on. This one na. Okay na yan, Daddy. Hindi naman mag...
Si Mami bili daw ng
Hindi na, wala na.
Nang.
ng gamot. Ay, gamot. Ng
Huwag na.
candy.
Wala ito na.
Okay. Tara na.
Dito may candy
Okay
dito.
na?
Magkano yung...
Lollipop o ano? Sa mga bata. Toys.
See. Look at that one.
Okay, let's go now. $31. There's an accident here. Malapit sa amin. Ayun o, taob yung ano. Yung ba yung gulong?
Yeah.
Ayun o yung gulong.
You'll see it right there. Slow it down.
Oh yeah, look at that. Taob. Yeah, naka-zoom. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Home Depot. Bibili lang kami ng isang galon ng tubig, like a drinking water. So naubusan na kami sa bahay para pagbalik namin, at least meron na kaming tubig. Si Daddy na lang ang lalabas. Hey Okay guys, so tapos na kami ngayon sa Home Depot. Papunta kami ngayon ng church sa Saint Anthony Church. Alam ko meron ng 11 ata. Isa. Or baka, ano, baka ano, may binyag. Pas kaya rito. Okay guys, so tapos na kami sa church and nakasalubong namin si Father Vince and na-bless niya kami bago kami nag-prayer. Then, pauwi na kami ngayon. So, it's already 12:56, magwa-1 na. So, mga 1-ish, aalis kami. Dadating yung mga kaibigan namin para may help kami na maihatid sa airport. So, sakto lang. We're home, guys. Ito pa yung mga kailangang ipack. Tapos, kagabi pala, dumating yung ninong at tinang ni Calix. Ayan, meron siyang gift. Oops.
Money inside.
Money? Money agad. Okay. So, mag-ayos muna kami. Magka-final packing. And then, mahintayin namin yung aming kaibigan. Okay? Yan. Kasya pa si Calix. Kasi kakailangan namin to kung mamamasyal kami. Para meron siyang tapos ano pa to, mousse. Okay. Hey guys, this is the first time nagagamitin namin itong DJI Osmo Pocket namin and dito kami. Okay. So si Calix mag-unbox siya ng kanyang Christmas gift. Come on. Let's go. What's that? Wow! It's Disney. Fashion socks. Let's see. So, ano siya? Parang advent calendar ata. Okay. Okay, open up. May kasama siyang eto yung card. Nakuha mo tong card. Okay.
Can I open it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What's that? Ooh. Yay!
What's that? Open. Say, Happy Holidays.
Happy holidays.
This is just a card, a Christmas card.
What?
Oh, there's money!
Yay, Daddy! Is there another one? Thank you, Christina.
This is, it says here, Dearest Calix, hope it's filled with love and laughter. Belated happy birthday and Merry Christmas. Love always, Ninong Kim and Ninang Jazel. You open mo yan.
Open?
Mhm.
Is it wait. What's inside? This one.
Choose one. Okay. Their favorite. You can open like here. Like that.
Okay.
Number 12 or day 12. Okay. Like this.
Okay. Ooh, McQueen socks. Ooh. That. It's the McQueen socks.
Wow. Oh, show.
McQueen socks.
Let me see. Yay!
McQueen.
Parang malaki pa sa'yo, anak, no? Malaki pa sa kanya. Oh, malaki pa. Still big. Wow. Okay. That's it? Then, Then we're gonna open when we come back here. Okay.
Put the money in the socks.
Let's go now!
Binigay mo yan sa Costco?
No.
Best Buy.
Hi! We're here! Inuwi namin, guys.
Ate Jaden's here.
What's that?
Ate
Karen
Jaden's here.
Jaden's here. 53 yan. Sabi sa'yo yung mga tote eh. So, ito 53 yung 40 something lang ano.
53.
Okay. I-ano natin dito. Open mo to, Daddy. Anong number niya? Yeah. Bye! Mommy, ta here. Mag-check in na kami, guys.
ACS here in the baggage claim office here left behind Idaho. Passenger first name Moses.
Di ba sa Fairbanks na pagkakas sila ng bags? Diba, pagdating namin doon wala akong bags.
Hey guys! So, tapos lang namin check in ang bag. Punta na kami sa security para makapasok na kami sa loob. Christmas tree. Okay, bye-bye muna guys. Okay, andito na kami guys sa loob. Grabe, ang daming. So, ang mangyayari dun sa bag namin, o sa mga baggage namin, kukunin pa namin siya sa Seattle. Dahil 24 hours pa yung next flight namin. Okay. So, what do you think kayo sino sa aming camera? Okay ba? Okay, CR muna kami. Punta kami dito guys sa, ano ba to? 49 steak. Is it 49 steak? Bili kami ng clam chowder. Masarap yung clam chowder nila dito. Ito na lang. Oh, one of this. Okay.
Well, are you 21?
No worries.
Are you 21?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have to sit here.
Yes. Exactly.
During the winter when we don't have any people, just
Yeah.
come at the very end of the bar here and order.
Okay. Gotcha. Thank you.
Otherwise, it'll be a mess. Like, okay.
Here guys, bumili lang kami ng clam chowder. Sarap nito guys, madaming laman. Seafood. Okay, kain tayo guys. So, it's already 3:54 p.m. and 5:30 yung aming alis. So, siguro mga 4 something mag-start ng magpapasok. Ganda lang sila. Mga sangi yan. Tama. Sabi ko pa, meron akong nilalakang.
Mommy, my eyes is here.
You want more? There's still more. Okay guys, so malapit na kaming mag-boarding. It's already 4:33, so ang start ng aming boarding ay 4:50.
Once again, looking for last name Chase, Sarah and Dorothy Chase, flight 45 of the vessel.
Hey guys, time check is already 5:15 p.m. and nandito na kami sa loob ng eroplano. So, si Calix ang aking katabi, then si Mami, and then dun sa kabila, ayun si Daddy and si Quincy. Hinaantok na si Daddy. Wala pa masyadong tulog kasi yan eh. So, ayan. So, ayan guys, sa labas, medyo nagre-reflect yung mirror. So, sakto, nandito ako sa may window na paupo. So, makakapag-vlog tayo ng mga ulap-ulap. Char! Kaya lang, gabi. Like, maano na siya, madilim na siya. So, I don't think na makakakuha ko ng magandang shot. So, ayan. So, yun lang guys muna, okay? And mamaya na lang ulit ako mag-update.
Open your window shades and unplug your devices.
Time check. Hey guys, time check. 5:40. 11:43. So, kaka-take off lang ng aming eroplano. And here we are. Medyo nakailip na nga ako sa kakahintay na umalis.
I like the airplane fly.
What's that?
I like the airplane fly.
He likes the airplane fly daw. Okay, that's it guys. And baka matulog muna ulit ako na update ko kayo pag nakalapag na kami ng Seattle. So this is gonna be 2 hours and a half flight. And yeah, see you later. Hey guys, lapit na kami mag-landing.
Please stand clear of the doors. Board here for D and C gates, transfer to all other gates, baggage claim, and ground transportation.
Ayun doon. Hey guys, just an update. So, nandito kami sa my parking lot. Naghihintay kami nung aming shuttle na magsusundo sa amin doon sa hotel na pagtutuluyan namin. So, it's already 11 p.m. Hey guys! Time check 11:55 p.m. So, andito na kami. Nakapag-check-in na kami sa hotel. So, ano lang siya, like day in, yung pangalan. So, andito yung kanilang CR. Maliit lang siya to guys. And nabook ko siya like a week before yung aming flight. So, parang nasa $80 lang siya per night, plus tax. So, 2 bed. So, okay rito. Mabango, malinis. Okay siya, guys. So, ayan. Nag-book rin ako ng, ng car. Kasama siya dun sa, parang ginawa kong bundle or package. But then, we decided na hindi na kunin kasi ang dami namin dala. Then, hindi na kami makakapagpasyal bukas or makakapamasyal bukas. Yun kasi yung plan. Dahil nga, 10:00 pa ng gabi yung aming next na flight. So, ayan.
Mommy, did I up there?
Courtyard Marriott pala yung katabing hotel. So, ayun. Mukhang okay naman dito. Basta, ang ano lang naman namin is magkaroon kami ng place na mapagpahingahan. So, yun lang muna, guys. Hey, guys. So, ito, nagpa-DoorDash na lang kami. So, it's already 12:56 a.m. ng December 1 dito. So, ayun na dumating pagkain namin. Galing to sa Applebee's. So, wonton. Yeah, may bread si Calix. Tapos to, mac and cheese. Cream mac and cheese. Kay daddy is broccoli. Shrimp broccoli, something na Alfredo. Sarap, guys. Applebee's talaga, hindi ka masasarap talaga foods nila. And then dessert. And then I have the Oreo shake right here. So, yun guys. Ano muna kami kakain?